Hi, my name is Akil Kumar Adepu from Team Strawberry, and my team members are Mohit, Piyush, and Chandan. Now, during this construct week, we have integrated our work with the backend and added more functionalities like search and remove from back. Now, I would like to hand over to Chandan to proceed further.
Thank you, Akil. Greeting, guys. So this is our landing page of our project Strawberry Net, and it is integrated with a beautiful UI design, and the products were displayed in a very neat and gentle manner. There are also beautiful drop downs in the nav bar and also a lot of functionalities in the home page. And now let us start with the sign in. So one need to register first of all when entering a website. So when we click on the sign in, it will ask us to log in, or if we don't have an account, it will ask us to enter our details. So now the username is akil@masai.com, and then the password is Akil. And now I would like Mohit to take it further from here.
Right. In this header, you can see that we have added the search functionality where you can search the products by brand name. If we click the brand here, we will lead to a page where we can see all the products of that brand. If we click the category page to the header, so you can see all the products of that category. You can also refine this category by brands also. If you want to see a product of a certain brand, you can do that. If you want to sort the products according to biggest discount by the name or the brand name or the price value, you can also sort it. And moving to the product details page, we can click on that div and you can move to the product details page. You can, from here, you can see the details of the products and can also add them to the bag and add to the wish list. Now I'm going forward to Akhil to show the wish list page.
Now, on clicking on the wish list, you will be redirected to the wish list. Now here you can find the products that are added to the wish list by a user. Now here we can define with respect to the categories or with respect to the brands that you have in the wish list. Now on clicking on the bag, it will be added to the bag. And if you click on the wish list icon again, it will be removed from the bag. Now I would like to invite Piyush to proceed further.
So after the wish list, it's time to go into the shopping bag. So we can see the all the items that we added already in shopping bag, and here we add some. If we add the quantity, you can see the total items increases and total price also increases. And now it's time to check out from here. Click on the checkout, and so after the checkout, we directly into the checkout page. Here we add some like if you add some discount, we have to just put the right promo code to apply some discounts, and you can see the after the apply, it's a discount applied here, the 30% of total amount of money. And then after we have to put some address details where our product is received, and after the save and continue, it's redirect into the payment section part. Yeah, here we select the three option here: PayPal, Ledger Pay, and credit card. So we go with credit card, and we enter all the details here. And after the pay now, we got the OTP in our mobile, and after the enter the right OTP, it's wait for some verify our OTP, and after that we get the order ID, and from now Akhil can explain how you use the order ID. So back to you, Akhil.
Thank you, Piyush. On clicking on back to home, you will be redirected to the home page again. And by clicking on the order ID on the top right, you will be redirected to the tracking page where you should put your tracking ID. On clicking on track your order, it will display the tracking details of your order and the estimated delivery date. Thank you. We are working on more functionalities further.
Thank you.